JavaFX setup in NetBeans IDE. Step by step explain. Browser open. Google search box lo Java download enter. Enter key press. Official link second section lo display. Oracle.com Java downloads. Second link mouse left click. Oracle redirectory official web page complete display. Mouse scroll down. Java SC development kit latest version 24.0.1 downloads section lo supporting OS Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Third option Windows. Select. Second option x64 installer. File size 205.85 MB. Second link click. Download section lo jdk-24 underscore bin.exe setup file downloading process start. Wait and here few minutes. Process completed. Next new tab click. Search box lo JavaFX download enter. Enter key press. Official link second section lo display. JavaFX glue on. Second link click. Glue on official redirectory web page complete display. Mouse scroll down. Supported platforms section lo last to third one Windows latest version 24.0.1 x64 SDK version standard development kit. Green color button download click. Downloading process start. File size 45.4 MB. After downloading process completed, next new tab click. Google search box lo NetBeans download enter. Enter key press. netbeans.apache.org Apache NetBeans releases. First link click. Apache NetBeans official redirectory web page complete display. Third option Apache NetBeans latest version 26 on date May 19, 2025. Green color button download click. Downloading Apache NetBeans 26 second one installer and packages. Friends of Apache NetBeans click. Apache NetBeans 26 packages web page mouse scroll down. Download section lo supporting OS Windows x86 underscore 64 second one Mac OS third one Mac OS Arch fourth one Linux first one Windows button click. Download section lo Apache NetBeans latest version 26.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 585 MB. Wait and hear process completing. Process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo first one JDK24 select. Mouse double click. Java TM SC development kit 24 window lo first button yes click. Welcome to the installations wizard for Java SC development kit 24 window lo first button next click. Destination folder Java JDK24 installation folder path display. Local disk C program files newly created folder Java subfolder JDK24. In case change the another one drive change button click. Unnecessary second button next click. Installation process start. Status lo copying new files. Java SC development kit x64 successfully installed. Close button click. Second one open JFX zip folder select. Mouse right click. Extract all click. Select a destination and extract files. Extract to files path display in middle section. First button extract click. Extracted folder JavaFX SDK 24.0.1 folder select. Mouse right click. First icon cut click. left side this PC option select. First one, new volume C, select open. Mouse right click, paste icon click. Program files, select open. Java folder, select open. JDK24 folder open. Address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option, copy click. Folder, minimize. Windows search box lo env enter. First option, edit the system environment variables, click. System properties window lo last button, environment variables, click. Second option, system properties section lo first button, new, click. New system variable, first option, variable name, enter. Java underscore home, enter. Second option, variable value, mouse right click, paste. OK click. And system variable section lo path, select. Second button, edit, click. Folder reopen. Bin folder open. Address bar, mouse left click, mouse right click, copy. Second option, click. Folder minimize. Right side first button, new, click. Mouse right click, paste option, click. First button, OK click, and OK click. Folder reopen. First one, Apache NetBeans exe setup file, select, mouse double click. Apache NetBeans setup window lo first button, yes, click. Folder minimize. Select destination location, middle section lo default path display, local disk C, program files, newly created folder, Apache NetBeans. Next, click. Select additional tasks, additional shortcut. If you want desktop shortcut, create a desktop shortcut. Left side tick mark set, unnecessary tick mark remove. Present set. Second button, next, click. Ready to install. Setup is now ready to begin installing Apache NetBeans on your computer. Second button, install, click. Installing, extracting files, NetBeans IDE related files extracting process start. Wait and here few minutes. Completing the Apache NetBeans setup wizard window, launch Apache NetBeans. Tick mark remove. Finish, click. System restart now. Apache NetBeans desktop shortcut, select, mouse double click. Apache NetBeans IDE 26 program launch now. Apache NetBeans IDE 26 user interface complete white theme display. Maximize. Wait and here few minutes. Tools menu, click. Libraries option, click. Left side bottom section lo new library. First button, click. Library name default my library. Delete key press JFX. Second one, library type default class library. First button, OK, click. Left side mouse scroll down. Created library, select JFX. Right side add jar folder, click. This PC, left side icon, click. First one, new volume C, select open. JavaFX folder, select, mouse double click. Third folder, lib folder, select, open. First button, add jar files, click. OK button, click. Top section lo second icon, new project, click. New project window lo choose project section lo categories. Third folder, Java with ANT, select. Right side projects section lo first one, Java application, select. Second button, next, click. New Java application window lo name and location, select. First one, project name default display, remove. JavaFX hello world, enter. Second one option, project location, created project file, saved location and path display in box. In case change the Another one, drive or folder, right side browse button, click. Unnecessary, skip this. Third one, project folder. Created project folder, path display in third box. Next, create main class. Class main dot JavaFX hello world. Third button, finish, click. Left side project window lo created project name JavaFX hello world. Next, source packages section lo subfolder class main JavaFX and created Java file hello world.java extension. Workspace created file display hello world.java. Script select